download the latest version of your GeForce Game Ready driver. In order to do that, you need to have the GeForce Experience app. If you haven't already downloaded this, then just open your open a browser you want. In my case, I'm just going to open Google Chrome as it is my favorite browser, and then just type in GeForce Experience download, and then just open the first link here, nvidia.com/en-us GeForce Experience download, and so on, and then or you can also just this full screen real quick to click on GeForce Experience on the top 10, and then it should look something like this with a green download button. Just click on this download button, and then installer with about 125 megabytes should be downloading. In my case, this will take 2 minutes because of my bad internet. In your case, this might be a bit faster. But then when you've successfully installed it, so just run through the installation steps, just open your GeForce Experience app. And then when this app successfully launched, just switch over to the drivers app, and you've made an account or signed in. That's also important. Just switch over to the drivers tab, and then download the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Just click on this green download button, and then wait until all of the files are downloaded, and follow the installation steps. That's how easy it is. That's how you can download the latest version of your GeForce Game Ready driver. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions or something didn't work, just let me know in the comment section below. I'm always happy to answer your comments as fast as possible. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.